In this video, I am going to give you the information regarding important dates, qualifying cutoffs for JEE Advanced, and rank versus college predictors.
Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Chan Malayala.
Do watch my college reviews before counseling for getting better idea on them. In this video, I am going to give you the information regarding important dates, qualifying cutoffs for JEE Advanced, and rank versus college predictors. First, coming to important dates. And JEE main result date is 11 September, JEE Advanced online application 12th September, means today. And JEE Advanced admit cards will be issued from 21 to 27 September, and exam will be on 27 September. JEE Advanced results will be on 5th October. Commencement of JOSA counseling will be from 6th October. Admissions process for IITs will end on 9th November, and for NITs admission process will be ending on 13 November. JOSA counseling schedule. These are the schedule of events JOSA 2020 online reporting, and you can pause the video and check it once, where they mentioned each and every step before completion of total admission process, like round 1, round 2, what are all the things you need to do, like submission, verification, options, choice filling. Everything will be done according to this process, and just take a screenshot of this schedule so that you will be able to access it anytime from your gallery. And this is also the ending. At last you will find that November 9 to 13 NIT plus system admission process ends. Then qualifying cutoffs category wise this year. Qualifying cutoffs for JEE Advanced category wise, which are released yesterday during the result, where these things are mentioned in the scorecard itself. From here you can see category and cutoff. General CRL 90.3765 is a percentile cutoff, and for general EWS 70.2435518. OBC NCL 72.8887969. For SC category 50.1760245. For ST category 39.0696101. For PWD category 0.0618524. These are the cutoffs category wise released officially by NTA yesterday. And coming to the main important thing of many of you have this dilemma with how to predict a college according to your rank. Well, I will give you suggestions. You can go check through Shiksha, College Pravesh, JEE AB 360, which is an app. Career 360, it is a paid. You should pay some amount so that you can predict your colleges. And first we'll see about the Shiksha, how to check the process. Coming to Shiksha College Predictor, it is also a best. I can suggest you. Just it asks you for sign up. Just sign up, no problem. Select BTech, then JEE Main. Next, enter your score. It will ask you rank or the JEE Mains percentile. I will say 1823. It is a category rank, female category, category ST, and domicile state. Give your state. Andhra Pradesh. Then predict results. You can see here, these are all the colleges, and with branches you will be getting like this. Like you can also see round 1 or round 2, or in which round you may get, that also will be shown here. Coming to College Pravesh, College Predictor. Here you can go. It is a totally user-friendly interface. Here you can give your category rank. Okay, let me take example as 1823, and category is ST. PW status no. If you have, you can give yes, and also mention the state, like home state. Then press predict colleges. You will be taken to this interface where it gives you quota, other state or home state, and institute, and the branches you may get, and the closing rank last year. Then coming to JEE AB 360, which is an Play Store app. Go to Play Store, install it and use it for free. There is no need of signing up. In this app you can predict the colleges of JEE Mains, paper 1, paper 2, advanced, ComEd-K, Web JEE. All these exams college predictors will be there in this app. You can use it for free.
If you like the content of my channel, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.